Share, copy. Okay, perfect. Check, check, check. Okay. Hello everyone, Elrigo Namaskara and welcome to my Indian market live stream. So the time is around 11:50 a.m. and date is of 1st of June. Okay, so this is a fresh month. So we'll start our analysis with a very fresh month and a very in a positive way. Okay, so Sadak, if you see the chart over here, this is a bank nifty chart on the left side and nifty chart on the right side. So the Friday ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ the explanation is still over on the screen. So ಏನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So I'll remove all these things and we'll start our fresh analysis for today, which is 1st of June. Okay, so before that I'll wait for a few more minutes. Let people join. So Telegram nagnu link share madini, so those who are interested they can join the channel so that we can have a healthy discussion. Okay, so 3 people are watching my live stream and welcome to my live stream. Okay, perfect. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the quick top down analysis or what exactly Nifty and Bank Nifty are trying to do. Before that, I'll just check audio and video. 1 second, guys. Okay, perfect. Okay, so audio and video are totally perfect. So let's start the analysis part. So 3 people are watching my live stream and very good morning and welcome to my live stream. So back to back likes code, 3 people. Come on. So now we'll start with the fresh top down analysis. This is Bank Nifty chart on left side and Nifty chart on the right side. I'll remove all the drawings, and remove drawings. Okay. So now this is a Bank Nifty chart. I'll go to 1 month chart first because this is a fresh month. So last month candle close agiddu. Yavarthi close agid, what exactly can happen in this month, that everything we'll discuss in detail. Okay. So this is the first time I think I'm doing the 1 month analysis, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day in the will go till 1 minute time frame. Okay, so every time I used to do just 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame in the 1 hour, 1 hour to 15 minutes hogtidvi. Since this is a fresh month, we'll try seeing what will exactly happen in 1 month until. Okay, so what exactly 1 month time frame is trying to tell us. So if you see this 1 month time frame, idu one candle in nodri, this is 1 month candle. This previously candle was, this is May candle, idu June candle idu. Okay, so now if you see this May candle, what has exactly happened is market illello open aitu for a month and it closed somewhere over here, candle closing ill bantu, and this is a low and this is a high. So this clearly indicates that buyers mel tagondodru and sellers kelag tagomandru, but still they close somewhere in between. So this is clearly an indecision candle, or there is no proper decision among buyers and sellers. That is the reason ಮೇಲು ಒಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕೆಳಗೊಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, and it closed somewhere over here. This is kind of indecision candle you can call. And one more thing to be added over here, what exactly it is and observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, there is an inside candle forming over here. ಇದು ಒಂದು candle is a bullish candle. ಆ candle ಒಳಗೆ there is an inside candle. What is inside candle? Again there is a candle in a candle. ಈ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ candle, ಈ ಒಂದು candle ಒಳಗೆ there is one more candle formed over here. If in case for example ಈ candle high or E candle low, which is May candle, E candle in a breakdown quote ankori, then there are high chances that market can fall till this level or even upper on the high level in a cross etala, there are high chances that it can cross this green candle and give a huge upside momentum. Okay, so even in between zone might be a sideways zone also. Okay, so even high and even low breakdown quote ankori, then you can expect a huge upside or downside momentum is what I feel. Okay, this is 1 month analysis. Again 1 month analysis yellow necessity illa, it is necessary only for investment purposes. Investment ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಂದ್ರೆ then you can look into 1 month chart and all those things, but for trading intraday ಯಾವುದೇ necessity ಇಲ್ಲ. just ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು overview ಇರಲಿ what exactly market is trying to do, how to look into market, how to analyze market, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು rough idea ಸಿಗ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ I'm trying to explain this 1 month chart. Okay, so last month May candle is an indecision candle. This is what we can conclude with this. Okay, so crypto and gold are actually moving downside. 1 second guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so let's finish this bank nifty and nifty analysis first, and then we'll jump to crypto market also. So this is 1 month chart. Now let's go to 1 week time frame. So what exactly 1 week time frame is trying to tell in bank nifty? So bank nifty in a 1 week time frame nodidrilla, this is kind of a sideways zone. In 1 week time frame helatiddu, this is kind of a sideways zone. So let's ignore this 1 week chart. Okay, and if you see, this is kind of bearish market going on. How I'm saying it's bearish? It is forming lower low formation. So lower low formation ಕೆಳ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ, so 1 week chart is bearish. And also ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ chart is forming a huge wick with red candle. This is a proper bearish candle. Okay, so 1 week time frame you must be planning for downside trade. Again, is 1 week necessary, 1 week time frame necessary for intraday or scalping? No, this we are doing again for a broader perspective or broader vision, or what exactly is happening in market from larger time frame to shorter time frame. Simple. Okay, so 1 week time, 1 week next, this is what is the scenario which is forming bearish candle. Now let's go to 4-hour time frame. 1 day time frame nan prakara it's not necessary, or it's not very important. That is the reason I'm just moving to 4-hour time frame. I do only weekly analysis and 4-hour analysis, because the 4-hour ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. One candle will be this and another candle will be this. In a candle there will be 2 candles for 4 hours, but if you take 1 day candle, there will be only 1 candle. That is the reason I prefer going with 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if you see in 4-hour time frame, what exactly market is trying to do, it is again forming lower low formation. As I said, even weekly time frame it is forming lower low formation. So you must be planning only downside trade. Illon double bottom create ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಲು try ಮಾಡ್ತು, but again market is trying to come down. Since market is trying to come down, you will be planning only downside trades in bank nifty. Okay, since market overall price action is lower low. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to 1-hour time frame. So what exactly 1-hour time frame is trying to tell? Now here is a clear clarity. If you see in 1-hour time frame, illon proper support level adu nodri, idu support level mark ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, and this is the resistance level I can see over here. So in 1-hour time frame, this is the resistance level and this is the support level. In case market illinda ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, then there are all the chances that it can fall till this level. Allinda support ತಗೊಂಡು slowly ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋ chances are also high. Okay, this is 1-hour time frame. This is how you do a multi time frame analysis. So ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಲತ್ತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, you are getting clarity what exactly is happening from 1 week time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ what decision should I take in 5 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Let's say for example, ನೀವು ಇದು 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ if you go to 5 minutes or 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲ, you will be confused in some situations. Should I go for downside trade? ಈ lower low formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you can go for downside trade, but you will not be knowing where exactly the support is. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ for example previously ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, this support, ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೀವು 1-hour time frame ತಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, you can easily mark this level because you could see this level. What I'm trying to say is ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ 1-hour time frame ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು 5 minutes time frame ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಔಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ and you wouldn't have saw this support level. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ and ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 1 second, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡೌನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ if you do a quick top down analysis, then it will be easy for you to analyze where exactly the resistance levels or support levels are in larger time frame. Okay, so this is again a small support. So note exactly nanagnu ಕಾಣಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು support level. I marked it in 15 minutes, proper ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು support level ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. This is the reason you should be practicing to mark these support levels or resistance level going to different time frames. Okay, this is what is ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನಂದು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯು ಹೌ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1-hour time frame this is again a strong support level. Market ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು again it can go upside or it can also break the support level. Even support level breakdown ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, next support level is this. Okay, now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So what exactly 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell? So if I go to 15 minutes time frame, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು trend line I can see. I'll mark this trend line. If I mark trend line from bottom, this doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'll mark only this trend line from top. This one trend line is more than sufficient. Illinda ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು trend line mark ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. I think I can also mark this level also. Okay, so ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ನಾಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So now what are the possible scenarios is market ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ, even the support level or even trend line ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು slowly it can also go upside. Okay, or even trend line break down ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then you can expect fall till this level. But I don't think so ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಫಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೇನ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. The best or highest probable scenario over here is it should take support and go upside. This is what is the best or high probable scenario. Adukku meeri if in case it breaks down alla, then we'll see what exactly we should do ante. Okay, this is bank nifty chart in 15 minutes time frame. If I go to 5 minutes time frame, again scenario remains the same because market is forming lower low price action. You will note that this is a low and high, properly one lower low formation aglathe illi. See, this is a entire lower low structure over here. Okay, since market is forming lower low pattern, you must be going only for downside trades. And right now this is not the right decision to go for downside trades also. Even support level break agli illa even trend line break agli, then we'll be planning for a downside trade. Right now this is a zone where it is difficult to decide to go for an upside trade or downside trade. If in case illene ಒಂದು green candle form ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then you can plan for going an upside trade. Or if it breaks this trend line and forms a red candle over here, then you can plan for going downside trade. That we'll discuss in upcoming few minutes. Okay, so I hope bank nifty analysis is very much clear till this point. Okay, so again il red candle form aglattu, let's wait for market to take decision and then we'll be planning out trades accordingly. Okay, this is bank nifty analysis, and now let's go to nifty 50 chart. Same way what we did in bank nifty, we'll do the same thing in nifty 50 also. So let's go to 1 month time frame first. 1 month chart. Okay, 1 second guys. Okay, 2 people are watching my live stream. Please do like to the channel. So at least one like ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. I don't know who these 2 people are. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ನನಗೂ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೂ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ 50 ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ 1 month. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ 1 month ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇರಿಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is much more bearish than in bank nifty because idond huge red candle form agide illi, and no doubt there is a wick at the bottom, wick at the top and bottom, but e wick is very small compared to bank nifty. So I can clearly indicate that, or I can clearly tell that nifty is bearish in 1 month candle. Okay, so again there is an inside candle over here as well. So illon nodrilla March, April, May, April. Okay, so this is April candle, this is May candle. ಸೊ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆವಿ ಬುಲ್ಲಿಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಲೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಈ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಹೈ ಏನಾನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್. And even level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can expect a downside momentum very fast. Okay, this is what is my expectation. Let's see in next upcoming month. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, we will be having this recordings also. We will be analyzing this in the end of June month. So let's see. In case even level cross ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, then there are all the chances that market can fall till this 22,000 level also. Okay, so one market crash ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then it can easily go upside. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for this 1 month and let's see how this candle will be closing. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ it should close as a bearish candle, something like this. This is what is my expectation, but let's validate in the end of this month. Okay, so this is 1 month time frame which is telling us, and now let's go to 1 week time frame. What exactly 1 week time frame is trying to tell? So 1 week time frame, if you go, so I can see a trend line from top. Ilon trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು, I'll just mark this level for reference. And other than that, if you see, this is a sideways zone or sideways market in 1 week time frame. Okay, this 1 week time frame which is sideways over here, this is a trending market in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. If I go to 5 minutes alla, nimge idu market will be a very huge trending market. Okay, so ilon uptrend, ilon downtrend, this is a trending market. Only in with perspective of 1 week time frame, it is sideways. Okay, idon clarity kodadu is very necessary because time frame ne no differ bere bere time frame ne no shift adaga you will be confused. That is the reason I'm explaining only with that particular time frame what I'm showing you. Okay, since 1 week net sideways idrunu you can get a scalping trades in 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, because market is trending. Okay, this is what I was trying to explain. Let's see. So ಇದು 1 week time frame, this is sideways, which is not at all concerned to us. 1 week ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ sideways market ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, we are just avoiding that market. Okay, so 1 week time frame is sideways. I'm not interested in this market. I'll just go to 4-hour time frame directly. So now let's see what exactly 4-hour time frame is trying to do. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, if you see, there is a strong support level. I can see it over here. Illon support level mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, and also there is a resistance level I can see over here as well. This is a level I will mark. Okay, now even in 4-hour time frame, if you see, market is kind of sideways. But again, if you go to 5 minutes time frame, you will find a trending market, but provided only with 4-hour time frame it is sideways. Okay, don't get confused ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. in sideways ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ not entire market is sideways. In 4-hour time frame it is sideways. Okay, this is a proper 4-hour time frame analysis. And now I can't see any proper trend lines or support enu illa illi. That is the reason I'm not marking any valid things over here, but I can see this as a valid trend line. That is the reason I marked this. So I'll make it very much clear. Okay, so this is a trend line. Now let's go to 1-hour time frame. So what exactly 1-hour time frame is trying to do? I hope you are getting my multi time frame analysis. So just ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, I'm just going to different time frames from top to bottom and trying to observe market what exactly it is trying to do. That's it. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ nothing more I'm doing over here. Okay, so this is 1-hour time frame in Nifty 50, and if you see Nifty 50 chart, again it is as good as similar as 4-hour time frame. Again market is sideways. This is the resistance level and this is a support level over here. Now I'll not touch this chart. I'll go to 15 minutes time frame directly. So 15 minutes time frame hodaga, now I can see one more trend line over here, which I can mark it something like this. Okay, so even trend line I'll mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, and also I can mark this trend line also. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು trend line mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Now it is kind of moving in a channel. This is moving in a channel something like this. So ಇದೊಂದು upper channel ಅಂತ so this is on bottom. No, let's not consider this. We'll consider from here itself. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ lower low formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ slowly one heavy, huge ಒಂದು red candle form ಆಯ್ತು, and again it went up, and again it is moving in the same channel. So let's see, even channel nage move ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಅಥವಾ even channel in market ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we'll just wait and watch. But as of now, unless or until market is in this channel alla, we'll just do scalping trades and come out of the market. Okay, no directional momentum trades or no huge momentum trades over here. Just do scalping and get out of the market. Again, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ scalping ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, that point we will also discuss in detail. Okay, 15 minutes is done. Now let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame we can see a very clear picture of this channel. So properly market is forming lower low formation, and this was a huge red candle which is yesterday in the sense Friday. One second, is this Friday? Okay, so ಇದು Friday ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ market ಇದೊಂದು lower channel support ತಗೊಂಡು now it is moving in a same zone. So now the task is difficult to find a good trades over in this sideways zone. Okay, because market ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, you can consider this as the resistance and this as a support level. So almost ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ರೇಂಜ್ ನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು. So here is the real task where we must need to find out the good trades over here. Okay, so I hope Nifty and Bank Nifty top down analysis was very clear, because I took in detail journey. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ದು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 month, 1 week, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes ಏನಾಗ್ಲತ್ತು ಅಂತ, so that you'll get proper clarity in market, how to tackle the market or how to understand the market ante. So making profits and loss is secondary part. One or the other day will make it, but understanding the market is the first and most priority. Okay, so let's see, this is Bank Nifty and Nifty chart. So let's do a quick scalping analysis also. Okay, so we'll go to 1 minute time frame and then try to find a quick scalping trades as well. So right now market net time is around 12:09 PM. So market can still also stay sideways till 1 o'clock. Adadmel it can give momentum in second half session. So every day almost 1:30 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ live ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, 12:30 1 o'clock ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, but today I'm live very early just to see how exactly market is doing. Okay. So I hope my points are very much clear to you. If points are clear, then just give me a thumbs up, at least one thumbs up kodri, then I can understand, okay, you guys are getting some of the other thing in there. And also Ethereum and gold chart are falling. One trade plan ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, let me check. One hour time frame, okay, this is kind of bearish. One second guys, I'm checking gold and crypto chart over here in another screen. So this screen hinge irlili. So we'll do a quick 1 minute time frame analysis and try to get us scalping trades also. Okay, so we'll finish the Indian market chart first, then only after then we'll go to different markets. So what I did right now is I just moved to 1 minute time frame. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೀನಿ 1 minute time frame ತಗೊಂಬಂದೀನಿ. This is 1 minute time frame in Bank Nifty and this is 1 minute time frame in Nifty 50. Okay, so now this is a very important thing to remember or thing to observe over here. What I'll do is I'll just mark my own strategy, which is my day high 50% level and my day low. Okay, so if in case ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಏನದಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, right now just observe very carefully and very clearly. Okay, I'll try to explain in detail once again. So if I go to 5 minutes time frame in both the charts, okay, so this is a support level. I'll just remove this support level for right now, because 1 minute time frame this is not a very valid, I mean istu doddu support mark mada necessity illa. I can just mark only this small level over here. This will make sense. Okay, that is the reason I'm removing this level right now. Okay, I'll just mark a fresh support level when I do 1 minute time frame analysis. So that is the reason ಯಾವುದು resistance level or support level in today's chart bada. This is today's chart for Nifty 50 and this is today's chart for Bank Nifty. Where is it? This is today's chart for Bank Nifty. Okay, so now we'll be concerned only with this chart and we'll try to find a quick scalping trades in both of this. Okay, now let's go to 1 minute time frame in both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So now what I'll do is I'll just mark my day high and day low over here. This is my own strategy which I use each and every day. I'll repeat this each and every day because this is what is the process of market. New boring process follow madrene you can be profitable. That is how market works as well. So now what I'll do is I'll just mark my day high and day low over here, and this is my 0.5 level or half of the level. I'll just mark this level. We'll mark this level and keep it. This is my 50% level or 0.5 level or fib retracement level, whatever you can call it. This is my day high over here. Adadmel I'll mark my day low over here. Okay, this is a Bank Nifty chart, done and dusted. Now same thing I'll mark in Nifty 50 also. This is a Nifty 50 chart. What I'll do is I'll just mark my day high or swing high to day low or swing low. Okay, so one more question I think Arun has asked, at what level you should consider this support level? Should you consider in the first half session or second half session anteli? He asked one question right now, tuck anta click aaytu nanaga. So for answer for this question is you can also mark this level from day high to day low here as well. So first 1 hour session ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. If in case if you see multiple supports, so example illon support ada illi illu one support ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು, and if I extend this alla I can see this support in back somewhere over here as well. So that is the reason this is acting as strong support. What I'll do is I'll consider this zone right now. Okay, this is a zone which I can consider as a strong support because there are multiple times market is trying to take support at this level. You can also consider this, but considering this will make much more sense because this is strong support level. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll mark this support level and this resistance level. So this is my day high and this is my day low. So market ಈ ಒಂದು ರೇಂಜ್ ನಾಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is what is a conclusion. And when I mark this day high and day low, this resistance level is properly connecting over here. So this makes sense. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll mark my 50% level. ಇದೊಂದು level mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, and I'll also mark my day high over here, and I'll also mark my day low over here. So ನೀವು over a period of time practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, you will get to know which level to mark, which level not to mark ante, because there is nothing wrong in market to mark. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ತಗೊಬೋದು, or you can consider this also as a support level. There is nothing wrong. Okay, it's all up to you how confident you are in your markings and how confident are you in your setup. Okay, because ultimately you are the person who is going to punch the trades. Okay, naantu band punch madala illa my trades, you can't come and punch my trades. So it's all up to your hands. That is the reason you must be confident on yourself first. Okay, you must have that self confidence. Only then nimge a ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, so these are the levels I marked, and if I want to explain in detail again, so this is my 50% level, this is my day high, and this is my day low. If market crosses above this level, only then I'll be planning an upside trade, or else I'll be still planning a downside trade in Nifty 50. Same thing in Bank Nifty. This is my 0.5 level, this is my day high, and this is my day low or swing low or today's low or support level, whatever you can call. And if in case market e level 50% level ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then I can plan an upside trade, or else just plan only downside trades or no trades. Now clarity is much more higher than this thing. So looking chart like this and looking chart like this is makes much more difference. This is kind of messed up or confusing chart, but ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, you get 50% of the clarity in market. What should I do? Again, what is the clarity you are getting? You must be going only for downside trades when your setup is formed, but you should not be going for upside trade, not even by mistake, in both Bank Nifty and in Nifty. And how did you get to know this? By marking these levels simple. This is how you simplify complex chart to simple chart and try to make market simple and try to keep it simple. Okay, so I hope things are very much easy right now. Okay, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ it is very important. So just try to keep things very much simple, because simple things works best in market. Okay, you can make however complicated you want, but even if you make it complicated, you are going to take the stop loss. Even if you keep it simple also, if market wants to take its stop loss, it will take the stop loss. Okay, so it's better to keep it simple ಅಲ್ಲ, unnecessary complicate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು necessity ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so there is a trend line which is coming from top. So illinda rejection ತಗೊಂಡು market ಕೆಳಗೆ fall ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then we'll be going for downside trade also. Okay, here also there is a trend line. Arey bhai, sorry. Worst trend line ever. Okay, so illu one trend line ada ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ rejection ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗೆ fall ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ, then we'll be planning a downside trade. Let's see, because again there is this proper support level. We can't go for downside trade at this support level. I want this level to be break down. Avaga we can plan a downside trade. Okay, so this was a very detailed analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty from larger time frame to shorter time frame, which is called multi time frame analysis, and also for a scalping trade. Everything is done and dusted. We are done with our analysis. Only thing we must wait is for setup to be formed and a proper trade to be formed. Only then we'll be getting into the market, or else we'll be avoiding for today if there is no setup formed. Simple. Okay, so crypto market, gold and silver, sorry, gold and Ethereum are falling crazy fall kodlatadalli. Let's see. Okay, 20 points in Ethereum and gold. Okay, gold around 15 points biddu, which is close to 150 pips. Superb, but let's wait. So crypto ಮತ್ತೆ gold analysis ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Let me do it and keep it things simple, so that it will be easy for me to take trades in office as well. Let's see. Refresh chart. Okay. Okay, so one thing I'll do, guys. So market ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ sideways ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ I don't know. If it forms higher rise slowly and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ fall ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೋ, I don't know. So let's see. But as of now, in this kind of scenario, there is no proper trade which can be initiated at this point of time. So I'll be analyzing other markets. So ನನ್ನ screen ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, but my mic and my camera will be off. So when a proper setup is formed in this part or somewhere over here, I'll be back live within seconds, and then we'll be planning a trade. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ just observe market, and if in case any setup form ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ just comment me or comment in the comment section, or just try to do the analysis. I'll be back within few minutes. Okay, so the chart hinge ittirತೀನಿ, so that it will be easy for me to track as well. Okay, so I'll be back within 5-10 minutes. Okay, so let's ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು setup formation ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, immediately I'll be back and then we can get into the trade. Okay, see you in 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys. So welcome back. So Nifty and Bank Nifty important level cross ಮಾಡಲತ್ತವಿಲ್ಲಿ. So I'm expecting downfall below this 23,500 level. So ಇದೊಂದು level, that is the reason I marked it. So let's see, because the reason is very simple. If you see the OI data, I'll show you Bank Nifty, sorry, Nifty OI data. So 23,500 strike price ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, put option is around 1.75 crore. Cursor na follow ಮಾಡಿರಲಿ. So put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಅಥವಾ put right ಮಾಡಿರೋರು 1.75 crores open positions are there. Okay, so if in case put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 23,500 ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are trying to take market up. Put they have shorted, PE na short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು and they are trying to take market up. But if they fail to take market up ಅಲ್ಲ, then you can expect a fall and then we'll get into the trade downside. Okay, this is what is simple expectation of mine. And let's see if market comes below this level, then this is our trade. Okay, let's see. One high probability trade sigbodu namage easily, because bank nifty nu fall aglatadi illi, it is trying to go down. Superb. Okay, but again one more hurdle is idondu resistance level or idondu trend line support level. Illige bandu support tond again it can easily go up. But let's see. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳತ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್. That is the reason I'm waiting for some levels to be crossed. Adadmel we'll be getting into the trades. Okay. BTC, okay. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸುಮ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ. 24,506, okay, 15 to 14 points. Bank Nifty, sorry, Bitcoin and Ethereum are again moving, but ನನಗಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬರೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 23 points in Ethereum, Bitcoin, oh my God. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 8:30 ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೋ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 5:30ಲಿಂದ 8:30 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 9 o'clock ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳೋರು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೇ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೇಟ್ ವೇಕಪ್, ಏನಂತಾರದು ಲೇಟ್ ವೇಕರ್ಸ, ಲೇಟ್ ಗೆಟಪ್ಪ ಏನಂತಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳೋರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. Late to bed, late to rise. Come on, again illinda market is trying to go up. This is the reason I said I'm not interested in any of the trades. Illinda market ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then there are high chances that market can fall. Okay, so again ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ I'm not at all interested in getting into the trades. Simple. Follow the plan, that's it. again sudden ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ randomly upside trade ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. There should be a proper reason, only then you can get into an upside trade also. Okay, so let's wait for a setup and then we'll plan accordingly. Okay, again back to back green candles, crazy. And Bitcoin is also falling. 1 second. Bitcoin one trade ತಗೊಬೋದಾ, but setup miss ಆಗಿದೆ. Setup miss ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ I don't think so it is worth it. Let's wait. Okay, perfect setup is forming in bank nifty and nifty. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು back to back red candle form ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then we can plan trade. So today's low mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು properly respect ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತು, just observe. Okay, this is why levels are very important in market. If you work with levels, then there are high chances that you can get a high probability trade. Again back to green candle. Okay, back to back red candle form ಆಯ್ತು. I'll be back guys. So ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈವ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯೋ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್. All right guys, so one more setup is trying to be formed. Setup formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಂಗೆನೆ green candle formation ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಒಂದೆರಡು red candle ಬೇಕು, then we can plan a trade. I can see a trend line something like this. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತದ and this is a resistance level. Okay, let's see. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟತಲ್ಲ, then we can plan a trade. Hello guys, so welcome back again. Market is trying to fall, so on the trade Siga chances are very high because Bank Nifty and Nifty both are falling. Okay, so let's plan a trade accordingly over here. Let's wait for some more minutes. Okay, so one proper trade sigbodu because even trend line in a breakdown bantala the mazedar trade. This 23,500 level, which is important level over here, even level cross abeku, then a huge downfall can be expected because tomorrow is Nifty's expiry also. So 2nd June is Nifty's expiry. So before expiry or on the day of expiry, one momentum bara chances will be very high. Okay, so again back to back red candle formation. So illi at any point I can get into the trade. but only thing I'm concerned is about this 23,500 level. E level. Ilinda bandi reverse aitala, then this will be the worst thing. So I am just, oh bhai shit. 1 second guys, either mail I can plan a trade because heavy red candle formation aglatilli. This is what I was waiting for. अरे भाई मुझे छोड़ के मत जाना यार. I can plan a risk of around 12 points and risk to reward will be 1:3. Okay, 12 13 points, 1:3 risk to reward. Let's plan trade. Market ಈಗಿಂದ super volatile ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಗ್ತದೆ because this is second half session where it will start, because market participants will be much more higher and everyone will be into the markets. Okay, so this 23,500 level is an important level. E level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ I'll be quickly initiating a trade. Come on, come on. So bank nifty nu ina idu ಒಂದು trend line ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If I show you in 15 minutes time frame, exactly trend line ಬಲ್ಲೆ resistance support ತಗೊಳ್ಳತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು trend line ಏನನ break down ಕೊಟ್ಟತಲ್ಲ, then bank nifty nifty 50 falling, or also chances of nifty 50 falling are also very high. Okay, in case ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ support ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ nifty ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳೋ chances are very low. Okay, even this will go up. Both bank nifty and nifty should fall, then a huge downfall can be expected. Let's wait. Market close aglak in 2 hours, 2.5 hours are left, so we'll wait for one proper set. So I think live stream start madi. How long is it? It's more than 1 hour. We still did not get any of the proper trades. This is what is the reality of market. We just have to wait for hours together to get one proper trade. So sorry for the disturbance guys. Okay, perfect. Again red candle, crazy. So premium prices nu observe ಮಾಡಲತ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ nifty 50 and bank nifty. Okay, bank nifty is booming. Nifty 50 I'm observing 23,500 put option, so it is trading at 86 right now. So might be if fall kottadalla 86 premium can go till 126 136 easily. Okay, let's wait. क्या कर रहे भाई ये लोग. Okay, come on, let it fall. Back to back red candle barbeku, then we can easily plan a trade over here. Come on, nifty 50 is super bearish, crazy. So I'll remove all these things. Let me remove all these things. 87 is a premium price, superb. One fall barbeku illi, this is what is my expectation. Come on, superb. So now I can initiate a quick trade over here somewhere. Exactly, it is trying to cross this 23,500 level. So in the kelag fall aithu ankori, then the fall is very big. Okay, again market is trading at its support level. Proper 2-3 sati support ತಗೊಳ್ಳತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು fall, I am into the trade. Okay, even support level breakdown ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. This is again a strong support level. Let me wait. Proper confidence ಬರೋ ತನಕ let's not initiate a trade. Okay, unless and until I feel confidence that okay, this can be the best trade ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ will not get into trades. Okay, we'll just wait and watch. Come on. अरे भाई बिटकॉइन is falling, gold is not falling. बिटकॉइन and इथेरियम ಎರಡು fall ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. क्या ही चल रहा है न्यूज़. come on, 294. Okay, so bank nifty no even the trend line level cross agi it is trying to form red candle. So illinda one the trade we can initiate. Okay, come on, come on, one small pullback bandi kelag fall aitala, quickly our trade will be initiated. Very sharp fall below this trend line. ಈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು ಅನ್ಸ್ಲತ್ತದ ನನಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ 23,500 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 23,500 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಂತ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, one fall will make our day. Let's see. Again it is forming green candle because market is at its support level. Bank nifty is also at its trend line support level, nifty 50 even support level below. That is the reason it is trying to take rejection, but once if in case it falls then we will get the jackpot trade over here. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಥೇರಿಯಂನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇಥೇರಿಯಂನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ 9 o'clock, 9:30 ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. $700 points in Bitcoin, crazy. Okay, so again red candle formation aglatadi illi, so we can plan a trade over here. Come on, and it is also trading below this 23,500 level. Come on nifty, you can do it. One day one trade sikru, today's day will be done and dusted. Come on. Okay, candle close aglag just 22 seconds are left. After 22 seconds, if in case it forms a huge red candle, then our trade will be initiated at this point itself. Okay, candle closing is very important, so let's wait for candle closing. In case ille trade na enter advi sudden green candle form aitala, then within seconds will be out of the market. That is the reason we'll wait for some more time. Oh bhai, red candle form again green candle. Why bro, why? Again on proper green candle formation aglutte ನೋಡಿ. I don't want a green candle ಬಂದ್ರೂ, but I need again a red candle to get into the trade. ಇಲ್ಲಿ green candle form ಆದ್ರೂ one more red candle I should get something like this, only then I can plan a trade over here. This kind of scenario it is best to avoid the market. Okay, so one more simple thing, when you're planning downside trade just look for red candle which is a huge bearish candle, only then I can go for a downside trade. Okay, red candle is forming, super. Oh bhai sahab, ist fast fall. idille enter agbekagittu, but let's wait. Shit, I said at this point if it falls it gives a crazy fall, but 90 era premium, it is trading at 100 right now. 90, 98, what a volatility. Let's wait at least below this red candle. If in case we get a trade, we'll be getting into the trade. It's too fast, sudden volatility. Market is dangerous, my brother. If you don't know how to handle it, then okay. So below this level, I'll plan a trade. Below, okay. One second. I'm just waiting for a proper pullback once again. Okay, I'll take one trade, guys. Below this red candle, one proper trade. Below this red candle, let it take the stop loss. This will be a very quick scalping trade. If in case it takes the stop loss also, it is fine. It's okay. Below this red candle, entry point get trade togolatina. Our entry point will be somewhere around 98. 98 is entry point in premium price. Let's see. Just below this entry point. Okay. E candle enter because I missed the trade. Now this is an opportunity I can feel. Come on, 98 will be my entry point. Let me. Okay, so we are into this trade. Come on, support. Crazy. One fall kottutala 1:3 we can easily expect. Okay, below this trade was our entry point. 98 is entry point. Premium is trading at 100. Crazy. Let's see. If in case it gives stop loss, easily will be accepting the stop loss also, because we are waiting for 1 hour to cross this level. Yavudu 23,500 level cross agala. We waited for 1 hour. Aladmel market is falling, then there can be a huge fall. Okay. Come on, 98 is our entry point. Superb. Stop loss is just 13 points and target will be around 1:3. Come on, 101, 102. Superb. Next level. Ekdam idu one gone target kottu ankori. Again, this will be a hacker entry or a sniper entry, you can call. Full ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದಂಗೆನೆ target. But let's see, it's nothing there. So ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈದ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. It is all up to market. What market gives, we must take it. That's it. Come on, back to back red candles. Sudden green candle form ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then ekdam heart attack. ಹಂಗ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ एकदम मजेदार डे, मजेदार ट्रेड. टारगेट ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತನಕೂರಿ एकदम मजेदार डे and मजेदार ट्रेड. Proper one trade and great conviction. Come on, superb red candle. Okay, so 106 is the premium price running, guys. Crazy. Back to back red candles. In a red candle ಬಂದ್ರೂ will be done and dusted with the target. So bank nifty fall aglatte. If bank nifty is falling, then nifty no doubt it will go downside. Come on, 101 is a premium price. Superb. Sorry, 111. 101 allatin. Come on, no green candle, my brother, please. Okay. So then what I can do is, it has given us at 1:2 minimum target. So in martini I'll trail it to break even. So wapas ulta market. So market wapas ulta hodrunu will be not getting, or will be not taking our stop losses. Will be exiting it cost to cost. Okay. Come on. So whatever I explained you, same thing I'm planning and same thing I executed. I just waited below this 23,500 level and I'm expecting a downside move, and that is where I got into the trade, and market is giving us momentum. Simple. So ನೀವು ಏನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, then your mind will be intact with your psychology. Come on, 1:3 ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, but let's see. Let it take a small pullback. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಂದ್ರೂ it is totally fine. No issues at all. But ಹಂಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ತಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ, that is where it hurts. Let's see. Come on, superb. 108 is the premium price running. We are plus in 10 points. Come on, Nifty, you can do it. One day, one red candle will be done and dusted. अरे मेरा भाई, no green candle, my brother, please. Green candle form aitandre, then we'll be out of the market at cost to cost. अरे यार, let's wait guys, we still have hope because it is still in a green zone, so let's not lose hopes. In the at least one red candle, something like this. Come on, come on, come on. Again back to 108. Crazy. अरे भाई, green candle, no. The bank nifty notice how it is forming proper red candles. I want red candles in nifty also. Green candle form other, I am not getting the target this time. नहीं मेरे भाई, please. Okay, come on, come on, come on, back to the red candle. Superb. Time is just 116. 116 ಆಗಿದೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ವಿತಿನ್ 2 ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Within seconds it will go, it will move. So let's wait. अरे यार, I don't think so this will give the target. Come on, come on, come on. Red candle ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ एकदम ದಿಲ್ ಖುಷ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. But it is forming back to back green candles. Yay, crazy, crazy. Again back to red candle. Superb, superb. Come on. Oh भाई, बिटकॉइन फॉल ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ, ಇಥೇರಿಯಂ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. I don't know what is going on. But ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸಾಕು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಬೇರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನನ್ನಾಗಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. That is what is ultimate expectation for today. Not for today, for right now. Bank Nifty, sorry, Bitcoin khatarnak fall. टारगेट दे दो मेरे भाई प्लीज। I think this will take our break even SL guys. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇತ್ತಿದು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ come on come on come on, we still have hopes. One red candle will make our day. ಚಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೇ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹೆವಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Come on, again a small fall. We still have hopes. इतना क्यों परेशान कर रहे मेरा भाई? Come on, again back to the green zone. Superb. This is a roller coaster trade again. एकदम स्टॉप लॉस तनक तोलक बंदू, exactly at the entry point it got reversed. Superb. जा मेरे दोस्त. ಒಳಗೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I think again back to back green candle ಈ ಸದ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಐತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ SL ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. come on, come on, come on, come on. A huge wick. ಈ ವಿಕ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆವಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಹೋಪ್ಸ್. ಈ ವಿಕ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Come on, Nifty, come on. Okay, superb. 102, 103 is a premium price. Nice. यार this is not going to work, guys. एकदम sharp fall ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, but still it is not going, it is not giving us a sharp fall. In case market ಏನನ್ನ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ above this wick, then we'll be out of the trade within no time. Okay, in case ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then there are still chances that we can get our target. This is the last and best hope. $23,450. Okay, perfect. Come on, again a back to back red candle, crazy. Next level, I'm just waiting for one sharp fall. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One or three, 104. Superb. Come on. Crazy red candle, guys. Let's see. But again, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ಲತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ಲತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then it is difficult to get the target. Okay, see again red candle, again green candle. Oh भाई, क्या कर रहे तुम? I think this is a stop loss again. Hello guys, so I think this will take the stop loss for sure. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So this trade did not give us target. Okay guys, so we are out of this trade. This is the stop loss. After a long wait, market finally gave us stop loss. It is fine, no worries at all. So num favor ne hogit properly. At least we got it as 1:2 as a target also. 13 points was the risk. 1:1.5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, but then it reversed. No worries. Okay, so we'll be planning one more trade. If in case we get a trade, then it's well and good, or else we'll just ignore the market for today. Okay, hey bhai, stop loss तोगोंड white is forming red candle. स्टॉप लॉस लेने के बाद क्यों गिर रहे हैं मेरे भाई? Let's wait. We are done with this trade guys, so we'll be planning a fresh trade again, and then let's see if we get a proper trade, and then we'll plan it accordingly. Okay, this is our stop loss. Again illene enter ಆಗಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. There is a 50 moving average rejection found, but there was a trend line. Even trend line salvaga was waiting. And again this big fall would have captured, but if I want to enter over here, this level is over here, 23,500 level. Any point it can take rejection from this level and also return up. One the reason I did not enter into any of these zones. Illantandre aramse ill enter agidre even fall we would have captured. Okay, a mistake to be learnt. We'll improve from our mistakes, and then we'll rule the market one day. Okay. Come on, again market is trying to fall. Super. But I'll wait for some more minutes guys. Again back to back entry ತಗೊಂಡು stop loss ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Still market next time is around 1:32 p.m. We still have 2 hours to go. So next 2 hours now you can get a proper trade also. So we'll wait for another 10-15 minutes, and then we'll try to get into proper trade if we want to get into the trade. Or else we'll just ignore for today if there is no setup fault. Okay, बैंक निफ्टी क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे भाई? Sometimes what I feel is even trend lines, so even the psychological level, which is this 23,500 level support, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, it's all up to you how you decide or when you decide to get into the trade. That is why market is very difficult for each and everyone. Okay, market is trying to go up. So hinge ಏನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then this will be a fake breakout for bank nifty. This will be a fake breakout. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and suddenly market will try to reverse and it will take all the stop losses from here. Okay, so ಈ ಒಂದು zone ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Here there are sellers sell ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and it gave a breakdown or fake breakdown of this trend line also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ market slowly ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, then easily it can go till this level and take all the stop losses of these people. Okay, let's see. If in case illinda fall aitandre, this can be retest and then fall. Okay, we can plan however we can. Let's see. 50. Okay, Na, 23,500. Okay, again a back-to-back red candle formation is expected. Come on. 1015. Okay, Nifty nu fall aglatadi illi. Below this level I can plan one more trade also. Let me wait for some more time. Okay, this is a channel I can mark. Below this level bantala, then we can expect a fall once again. $15 okay. So bank nifty I can see a small 1 minute time frame channel. So either thorak barli, then we'll be planning a trade quickly once again. Okay. The worst regret right now will be, let's say for example, illinda momentum kodangilla anteli, I'll be going out of the market and market illinda one downfall kottutala, something like this. Illinda if in case if it gives downfall, or from here if in case it gives downfall, and if I go out of the market right now, then this will be the worst regret ever. I waited in market for more than 1.5 2 hours, and it took my one stop loss, and I'm out of the market, and then market gave huge fall. Look at this. It's very disturbing. So let's wait for some more time. In case in the fall kottadala, then we'll be quickly going for downside trade. If it doesn't give any fall, we'll be just ignoring for today, but we'll be not going out of market for another half an hour at least 2 o'clock 2:15 tanka I'll be live, and then I'll be going out of market. Okay, let's see. Market is difficult, bro. It's not at all easy. Come on, come on, come on. A huge red candle over here, we can plan a trade. Okay, bank nifty is coming out of the zone. Superb. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So nifty also we can plan a trade. I'll keep things ready over here. 1:3 will be the risk to reward. Oh bhai, come on. 1 second guys, 1 second. Oh bhai, it's a heavy fall. 1 second guys, we'll wait for this candle to be closed. It's forming very fast. One second, the candle closed like in a 6 seconds are left. We can plan a trade because bank nifty is also falling. On the trade we can plan. Come on, come on, come on. Again a green candle. This is trapping us, guys. For sure it is trapping us. Even zone length thorak barli, then we'll be planning. Okay. See, huge red candle form, again it is trying to form green candle. क्यों मेरे दोस्त? La, 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 124. Mhm. If this is the case, then market is not going to give momentum. Okay, again red candle. Let's plan now. Idon red candle close early, then we'll see. Okay, another 25 seconds are left for this candle. Let's plan. 98. Just below this candle trade ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, but again it has formed huge green candle, so there is no proper conviction, so we'll just wait. Bank Nifty is falling, Nifty is not falling. क्या चल रहा है मेरे भाई? One second guys, I'll be back, just 1 second. Okay, so again market illon nam setup formation agi it is trying to form red candle. Bank Nifty is also falling, so might be we can take one more risk over here. Let's see, 94 is a premium price running, 23,500. Let's see, one fall kotru saku, but market is okay. Come on, come on, come on. Even trend line fall kodli, then proper entry will be getting into. Okay, another 28 seconds are left. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So this is the first trade and this will be your second trade. Idunu stop loss togantala, then straight away out of the market. No more decisions or no more trading. Okay, 10 points SL ittirtinna. Come on. Okay, below this level I can plan a trade, guys. Below this level I'll be entering into the trade. 10 points will be the SL and 1 is 2 3 will be the target. Stop loss togantala, straight away out of the market. No more questions. Okay, below this level trade will be initiated. Might be in premium price, entry point will be around close to, it will be 100 point. 100 point will be the entry point. I mean 100 is the premium price for entry point. Okay, come on, let's see. This is the last and best trade. Iಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ again my expectation is it should fall because bank nifty is also falling, and let's see. But market ಏನನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ green candle form ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then this trade will not be initiated and will be straight away closing our live stream. अरे भाई क्यों green candle form कर रहे हैं? At least you don't pull back ತಗೊಂಡು it should fall, then our trade can be initiated, or else this trade khatam. No trades at all for today, because market will just take your capital and lose your confidence. Okay, inta trade inta one market na it is better to avoid the trades rather than getting into the wrong trades. Okay, let's wait. If in case it forms back to back green candle, we'll be straight away not getting into any of the trades. But in the pullback tone, if in case it forms a red candle something over here like this, then we'll be getting into the trade. Okay, so let's see. It's still trying to form red candles. Let's wait. Okay, come on, come on, come on. 96, 97 is the premium price running. Super. Come on. 98. Come on, guys. We are into this trade. 98 is our entry point. Let's see. 98 is our entry point. In case idunu stop loss togantala, then let it take. Will be out of the market. Simple. Come on. At least idu ana target kodbek namaga. $23,466. Okay, come on, super. Market is still staying in a zone. क्या कर रहे भाई तुमने? Come on, one red candle, crazy. 101 is our premium price running. Superb. Next level. Now one day one fall kotru will be done and dusted for the day. Come on, a small pullback it is. No worries at all. Small pullback aste. Come on. One more red candle. Come on, 101, 102. Superb. One fall, guys, just one fall. But premium price just fast move ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. That is what is the worried scenario. This is our second trade. If in case second trade also gives us a stop loss, we'll be straight away closing our day. Okay, just 2 trades a day, no more revenge trades. आजा मेरे भाई, come on. Big formation ಆಗ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ again this is a trap. Sometimes ಎಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು struggle ಮಾಡ್ರಿ market will not at all give you target. In such cases take few SLs and get out of the market. Best thing. Come on, again back to the zone. Superb. 101, 100 and okay, come on. 98 is our entry point. Market is trading at 100. Okay. Let's wait. Let's hope for the best. Come on, superb. 102. अरे यार इಷ್ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲಿಟರಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. Come on. So one more thing, now enter ಆಗಿದ್ದು somewhere ಇಲ್ಲಿ which was 98 was a premium price. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ there is 15 points fall in spot price, but premium price ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there is just 3 points momentum. So this is telling us that there is no strength in premium price. That is reason market is not moving. Just 4 points in premium and 15 points in spot. Come on, at least 110 tanka bandrunu will be happy enough. Come on, now is the game. Market is falling. Superb. 104, 105. Just 1:3 it is risk to reward. One fall will make our day. Come on, 105, 106. One target ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ದೋಸ್ತ್. I'll be just going out of market. Office ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೀದಾ I'll go to office. Come on, 104, 105, superb. 106, nice. I think this won't give us target, guys. Market is struggling a lot. So see the break even ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. In case ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡಿತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, will be exiting at cost to cost. Chalo guys, so premium price ne it is not that great. So premium price ne we took break even SL, but inna ille ada illi. So this is not the right trade for today also, is what I feel. So 2 trades, 2 break even SL is done, because almost ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ SL ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ 98 we got hit. Okay, so 98 ಬಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ took our break even SL. It is totally fine. So will not be planning any of the trades for today, because market if there was a direction, or if there was a proper, or if there was a clear move alla hing tuck anta ಒಂದು proper move ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, but there is no such kind of move. So but morning ನೋಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ this was a very good move actually. If you have captured this, then it is well and good. But again now live ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ 11:30 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, so we did not capture any of this move. But this even move ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, but it is totally fine. Okay, so with this I'll just close my live stream, because spot price and premium price are intact nagilla. There is a lot of difference happening because of tomorrow's expiry. Okay, so I think I'll just close my live stream. In the market momentum kotru, I'm still not interested in getting into trades. Okay, so with this I'll just end my live stream. I hope you one small video and get on learning part sikkad ankotini. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet you in next video. Until that, see you all, take care, and thank you so much for watching my live stream. And I suggest you not to get into any of the trades. If in case ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು, just go for downside trades or no trades. Okay, this is what is my expectation, and just follow, only go for downside trades or no trades. Okay, so see you in next video.